I'm Ollie, a member of the team here at New Icon. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief introduction on how to get started on Basecamp. We like Basecamp because it allows your project to run as efficiently as if we were in your office. It's almost like our virtual office. Basecamp consolidates project management and communication. Communication is so much more efficient on it. No more lengthy back and forth emails. All the information to do with your project is accessible really easily. So let's take a look and get you started. You'll receive a project link invitation via your emails. Go to that, open it up, and then create your own personal account. Now I'm going to be showing you via the browser view. You can also get Basecamp on your phone, tablet, or you can download the desktop app on any computer. The layout and style is pretty similar on every platform. It's super simple and user-friendly, which makes Basecamp the ideal choice. So now you've signed up and you're in, your project or projects are here. If you click on through to your projects, here is where you can find everything. This is your go-to place to check progress, discuss tasks, and access all your project assets. Here you'll be able to see all the team working on your project and also be able to ping them messages when you need. Let's take a look at the project tools that you might have. These can vary depending on your project's requirements, but these are ones that you can probably expect to see. The message board is for communication. You can create multiple different subject areas and talk within those, keeping different conversation channels separate from each other. To-dos is where you can track the progress of your project, seeing when tasks have been completed and what's in the pipeline. Documents and files is where all files will be stored or links to the files will be stored too. This means that you can access any of your assets at any point by going here. Also, there's a schedule, so everyone can see when the deadlines are, when review meetings might be coming up, and all the important dates that are related to your project. This can also be synced into your own calendar. Automated checkouts can be set up here. So every week you can send out a message to get a progress update. This means that you'll be kept in the loop at all times, even if you're really busy. Basecamp itself is always updating, and some of the features might look slightly different to this video. At any point you might be stuck, do not hesitate to reach out to your account manager or any of the team here at New Icon. We're always happy to support you and make it as easy as possible to work with us.